Hi, this is Vic, and today I'm going to show you how to apply almond oil on your baby's head. This is really good for um, any headaches or anything that he's going through, or cough and cold. Um, this really helps in your baby's head blood circulation, and also almond oil is very good for skin and hair because it has a lot of nutrients. As you know, almond is also called a superfood. So the almond oil is expensive, but it's really worth it to apply on your baby's head. I would suggest apply at least twice a month, um, and gently rub it like this on his scalp. Make sure it goes all the way through the hair and on the scalp, and gently rub it like this so skin of the scalp absorbs it. Uh, Rub it on the temples. The baby will feel really good and relaxed. You can also try on your head and your families. I mean, ask your wife or your mom to apply on your head. You will see how good you will feel about it. Um, Please try this and give me comments on the bottom. Let me know how you like it, and if you like my videos, please give me a like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much, and enjoy watching How to TV. Thank you very much.